Go ahead.
You entertainers.
Preach it.
That's in the Illuminate.
Preach it.
Which is nothing but trash.
That's right. Go ahead, brother.
The owls.
Go ahead. Go ahead, brother.
That's supposed to be a symbolic god.
Amen.
The other images of animals.
Go ahead.
That's supposed to be symbolic gods.
That's right.
Do you hear how the word talk about them?
They can save no man from death.
They can't save you.
That's right. No man.
They can't save you.
They can save no man from
After
death.
you dance and shake your hips like a neighborhood hoe.
Go ahead. Go ahead, brother.
After you drive your Maybach.
That's right. Go ahead.
And live in your mansion.
That's right. Go ahead, man.
Your Illuminati God can't save you.
They can save no man from death. Go ahead.
You still die a fool.
That's right. That's right.
Are you listening?
They cannot restore a blind man to his sight.
Your God can't heal you.
That's right.
So the only thing you have is a few God albums.
That's right.
Hanging on your wall.
Go ahead.
A pimped out crib. A car that go up and down.
Go ahead. Go ahead, man.
How can you be a member of the Illuminati and then gonna say, thank God? You's a liar.
Amen.
The Illuminati is a cult.
Amen.
All that are in it are satanic.
Go ahead.
You're cult followers.
Go ahead.
I don't care if you are millionaires, if you are pop artists. There is no God but one.
Amen.
These rappers, entertainers,
Go ahead.
multi-millionaire hoes,
Go ahead, brother.
part of the Illuminati.
Go ahead. Go ahead, brother. Make it strong.
There's only one we should bow to.
Go ahead.
Paganism have no place.
No place.
In God.
Amen.
You preachers that's part of this cult, you don't represent God.
No, no.
We should be what God is.
That's right.
Jesus was not in the Illuminati.
No. No, he wasn't.
Scientology. All of this religious foolishness.
This religious.
All these church people and entertainers caught up in this mess.
Wow. Go ahead, brother.
Big time preachers with mega churches.
Yeah.
Caught up in the Illuminati.
Amen.
Illuminati, I'm told, give them big payoffs to help build mega churches.
My Lord.
You's a sellout.
That's right. Go ahead, brother.
We will not bow or sin to get a dime to build or buy one temple unto the Lord our God.
Go ahead.
In hell,
That's it.
you lift up your pimp eyes.
That's right.
Who you think have the last say over you?
That's right.
Not some slick-head preacher.
No, no.
God got the last say over you.
Amen. Go ahead.
Think of it.
Go ahead.
When you stand before God,
Yes.
the only thing you got to show is a gold grill across your teeth.
My Lord.
The only thing you got to show
Amen.
is a house full of hoes.
That's right.
The only thing you got to show
Go ahead. Go ahead.
is a video of you being a homosexual.
My Lord. Go ahead, brother.